All right, everybody, so today we're going to talk about the TSR rule and the CFPB. As many of you may already know, the Credit Repair Cloud owner Daniel Rosen was sued, and it had something to do with the TSR rule. Basically, he was providing a software that helps credit repair owners break the TSR rule. So from now on, if you want to sign up with me or any other credit repair company, you have to sign up. You have to go to their website, sign up, sign the agreements, make the first payment before the credit repair company can contact you or you can contact them. Yes, I know this is backwards, but we're always going to do whatever we have to do to be compliant, and this makes us TSR compliant. So if you do want to sign up, unfortunately, you have to go to my website, everythingcreditllc.com, go to plans and pricing, click on the link, sign up. You'll then receive a welcome email, log into your client portal, read and sign all the agreements, upload the required documents, sign up for My Free Score Now, and then upload whatever card you want to use under the billing tab. It just can't be discovered. Now, scammers are going to love this. They're going to run with this because now you have to pay them. Now, with that being said, you can talk to a credit repair company before signing up if they're not going to charge you until 6 months of service and they can prove that your credit score actually went up. Now, here's the issue legit companies have with doing that. Most people are going to get 6 months of service and they're going to haul butt. They're not going to pay. Trust me. I'm not saying everybody's going to do that, but that's what's going to happen. So I just wanted to bring this up. We are TSR compliant. Credit repair companies cannot have their phone number on their website. They cannot call you. Email's fine. Text message is fine. They can have a chat feature on their site. That's fine. But again, if you reach out to a credit repair company and they talk to you before you sign up, now they cannot legally bill you until 6 months after service. If y'all have any questions about the CFPB, the TSR rule, or anything else, please leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.